Welcome to Eris Pair Screener. This video tutorial will walk you through the basic setup and screening functions of the program and show how you can use it to find desirable trading pairs with your own conditions. For more details, you can read our user's manual on our website. After installing the program, click on the Pair Screener icon and log in using the same credentials registered with our site. Once loaded, you will see this program screen. The left window is where your created screeners will be listed. The main window will display the scanning results with detailed statistics. The log window at the bottom will update you with all scanner actions, as well as display any warnings or errors in the scanner operation. The Disabled tab lists instruments which are not being scanned due to various reasons, such as lacking in historical data. The program provides customized screening to help identify high-probability paired trading opportunities. But before we get started, the program needs to be populated with data. Loading data. There are two ways to enter data into the program: individual input and bulk load input. Let's start with the best way to get started quickly, and that is with bulk loading CSV data files. Pair trading is all about identifying pairs of instruments usually found in related activities or sectors. Therefore, in our example, we group instruments based on same industries or sectors. Of course, you can set groups based on other reasoning. Note, all the instruments in the same group will be paired up for calculation. Instruments in different groups will not form pairs with each other. There are two CSV formats. One is for US-based stocks and ETFs, and the other is for stocks found on foreign exchanges. Foreign exchanges supported by the program are listed in the user's manual. On our website's download page, we also provide sample stock CSV files for most of the world exchanges categories by subsectors or industries. Here is an example of the setup for US stocks and ETFs. The first column contains the instrument symbol. The second column contains the group that the corresponding symbol belongs to. The format for foreign stocks is a bit different in that the first column will contain the foreign stock code, the second column the corresponding groups, and the third column the foreign exchange symbols. Once the CSV file is ready to upload, we go to the Instrument tab and select Upload. Then we go to Browse, and then select File. If you check this box, your previously uploaded instruments will be deleted and replaced with a new upload. And we finally click OK. Once the upload has been completed, go to the Instrument tab Select the Instruments tab. This window shows all the instruments available for scanning. You can also add instruments manually in the Instrument window. Go to Instruments, click Add New, and then enter Symbol, and then enter Exchange, and finally Groups. Here is the display of the uploaded groups. In this case, we uploaded 125 different groups. We can view the instruments that belong to each group by double-clicking Edit. Moreover, once a group is set up, it can easily be edited to add a new symbol or delete. Remember, the screener uses pairs of instruments, so each individual stock must be placed in a group where it is matched with the others. In other words, you need at least two instruments in a group if you want to create a new group. Settings. Now we move to the Settings tab. There are three selections in the drop-down. Select General. The screener interval establishes the interval between scans, in this case 10 seconds. Data Management shows how far back the data goes. Reload Data makes sure that historical data is updated every number of selected days. Data Auto Download allows data to be updated at a specified local military time. However, the program must be running for the auto update to be functional. The email alert setup allows the program to send an alert when a screener has identified an opportunity that has met the filter's requirements. We will come back to this feature later once screening conditions have been set up. The filter setup allows the user to select conditions specifically designed for pair screenings. Left-click on Filters and a list of the filters will appear. Left-click on the filter you want to edit. All filters added here will be saved and can be used later for setting up customized screening conditions. You can hover your mouse over the icon to review the definition of the filter. Click Add, then enter number of days for backtesting where it says number of bars. If you want to set up filters for different periods, just click the Add button to add new ones and enter a different time period. Once done with each particular filter, click Save. Save will save all filters created. Data. For real-time data, the program uses Yahoo Finance as the default data feed. Yahoo provides real-time or delayed market data for different exchanges. For specifications, please check the Yahoo Finance page. You can also get free real-time data from Interactive Broker if you have an account with them, or you can also choose to receive real-time data from IQ Feed. Screeners. Now we move on to set up our screening condition by creating our custom screeners. In the Screener section, click Add New to create a new screener. Enter a name for the screener. Then enter Performance Comparison Period. This is the period we use to define two instruments' relative performance. For example, if we define it as 100 days, we are asking the program to tell us, starting from 100 days back to current day, which instrument performs relatively better or worse in the pair. In the formula box, we will enter screening conditions based on our rules. The key unique feature of the software is to allow traders to set up their own screening conditions flexibly, without any requirement for technical or coding knowledge. I will demonstrate here how to enter the screening conditions in the formula field. Click the Filter drop-down menu and you will see all the predefined filters on the settings page we set up earlier. If you want to set up a new filter, you can click the Add New option. Here I will click Co-integration Confidence and set it greater than 0.9. I will then add the logic operator AND to combine the first condition with a new condition. Correlation 10 greater than 0.85. Here, the square bracket with the number 10 is the way of me telling the program to exclude the last 10 days' data from calculation. For details of how to use the square brackets, please refer to our user manual. Then I will add another AND condition with a parentheses and z-score 1 greater than 2 or z-score 2 greater than 2. In this example, the three conditions connected with AND will all have to pass for the pair to show up in our filtered results. In the last condition, either z-score 1 greater than 2 or z-score 2 greater than 2 will pass the screening if a pair satisfies the first two conditions. As you can see, we can manipulate the logic operators rather flexibly to create complicated screening conditions with ease. Select Check Formula. Select Groups. Select the groups you want the screening condition to apply to. Check boxes for desired multiple groups or select all groups. Select OK. A screener is created. To scan the market, click Start Screener. Watch the status, bottom left and right, and the log section. Once completed, click Refresh to review the results. Note, there are two tabs for the pair table. The filtered results only show pairs that fit the screening condition. The All Scanned Pairs exhibit calculation results for all scanned pairs. You can scan individual groups by making a selection in the Select Group window of the pair table. The program also provides convenient charting for pairs. To view a chart, click on the pairing you want to view. The chart shows a percentage performance between two instruments. To view a different time period, you can select the time periods or scroll the chart. To view multiple charts at the same time, select Pairs and then select Display Icon for vertical or horizontal comparisons on the same screen. The screener will keep rescanning the market with the latest available data, with a user-defined time interval between each scan. A user can set up an email alert to monitor the market in real time and get instantly notified when new pairs get through the screening condition. To set up the email alert, go to Settings and select Email Alert. The default SMTP server is Gmail. You can simply use any Gmail account to set up the alert. The SMTP login should be your Gmail address. Enter your Gmail password here. Enter the same Gmail address again for sending the email alert. In the To field, you can enter the same Gmail address so it will send the alert to the same account, or you can enter any email address you would like to receive the alert. Note: in Gmail settings, you will need to change one security setting to make the Gmail SMTP server work by turning on the Allow Less Secure Apps option. When everything is set up, go back to the Email Alert Settings page. Click the Test button. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. Click OK when you see Test Email Sent Successfully. Then check the Enable box. You can see the received alert emails in your Gmail inbox when new pairs pass through your screening condition. In the email, you can find the pair names with all detailed statistics. As you can see, the Eris Pair Screener is easy to set up, update, use, and customize to help traders identify potential pair trades that meet selected technical criteria. It is an ideal screening tool designed for statistical arbitrage, hedging, or other related trading strategies. For more detailed features, please refer to our user manual. Thank you for choosing Pair Screener.